What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you, I noticed on these Cub Cadets, at least the LT1045s, the right headlight seems to go out. So I pulled it out, and what you have here, right here, is the hot wire, and that is right down there. So the bottom of the bulb is your hot, and then the side is your ground. And the green indicates ground, and if you look right there, that is your ground plate. So when this bulb is inserted and we put it up here and we turn it on, it's on. Okay, but the moment you move this around, sometimes it'll go off. There you go. See, it's the bottom tab here, your hot. And you can just take a piece of non-conductive material and kind of space that out. I tried bending mine on the bottom up, but I'm afraid I'm going to break the tab or the plastic. So I'm just going to get a piece of like rubber or something and stick it in there. What you could do is on that light bulb on the bottom, you can put some solder if you're good at soldering and build that solder up, and that'll take care of it. Alright, so all I did is cut just a little piece of brake line tubing for now. I'll solder it later, but this will do now. So what I'm going to do is, in between these two terminals, I'm just going to slide that in. Okay, so you can see I just put it there, and both of them work.